Alright, quiet on the set.
Hello YouTube, this is your boy Atik Isaf. Today I am here outside with my big brother Shehzad, and today we are doing a bit unboxing. And as if you see right now, I do have this Rynox tank bag. So we are here with the Himalayan alongside with us. So let's put this Rynox tank bag on this Himalayan. So this is the first look of Rynox tank bag, and this one is the magnetic one. So it does have 5 magnets all over the body, okay, to cover, and approach is very good on the holding of it. The zippers are the YKK zippers, the side pouch. Let's open each and every side pouch and see. So this how it can hold a bit extra things. Right now it's not filled, so it is the only reason it is looking pretty much small, okay. So this is the both side pockets of it. Let's put this magnets on the tank of the Himalayan and see. Okay, so as soon as I had put this bag on the tank, it did hold like super strongly, and right now, okay, I am putting a good strength. So this is the way you can place the magnets all over the tank properly for a better grip, okay. So let's open the main compartment of it, and the zip is might be around here only, okay. Okay, so voila. So this how it has a good space in it, but that is not the only space that it has. I'll be showing you one more area that it does cover, and it do have an extra space. You can see there is a zip line over here. So the zip line does open, and it does give it a extended length to it. So if you can see right now that if this bag is filled properly, this bag will hold tremendous amount of your stuff, important stuff, as you can see right now. Let's do one thing. Let's put our helmet. As I have opened the extended zipper over here, and now it is, I think it is capable. I think it's capable for holding at least a helmet. And if you see this how it will look around when it is filled properly, and I think that it is a very good option. The company has provided a couple of straps and a rain cover, okay. So if it is raining heavily, definitely you can do one thing, is put your rain cover on it. So as soon as you put the rain cover, it becomes waterproof. So there is a better chance of all your electronic accessories to be saved while wherever you are driving in any climate. But it's raining over there and you have this cover on, it does save your electronic products. Let's do one thing. I have fitted the magnetic tank bag on it without any help of the straps, okay. Let's take a ride on it and see whether this bag to struggle to hold up the tank or not, okay. I did took a 5 minutes of ride with just the magnetic strap holding the tank, and I didn't feel any of the struggle with this magnetic hold, or if you can say that just if you are doing a short ride, you won't need any funky straps to hold it. Whenever you are planning for a long ride, you do need a strap to make sure that these things which are very costly inside the bag doesn't fall, and if this fall, it just make sure that it does hang with the help of the straps. Okay, this was a short review of this Rynox tank bag magnetic, and if you felt this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share to the other peoples, and do subscribe to my channel.